So we've pulled up our component that we've drawn, and we've decided that this is just not the best front view for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click it. And we're going to move this orientation around. You can see here it actually says it's the top, but what if it actually said front and it wasn't the right front? So we could come through here now and adjust our views by clicking on one of these. So I'll just actually say front. In this case, it actually is supposed to be that view. But it could also be that we drew it in a different work plane to begin with, and maybe the right side view is actually the real true front view. So the point is we can change it right here if that would come in incorrectly. So we brought this into our dimension drawing, and that is just all kinds of wrong. Here's what we got here. I'm going to go back to the original part, and here's what it is. So like if I go up here and I hit the home button, that's not even right. Okay, so what we're going to do is just set the front view to be correct. So here's how we do this. First off, we get it to the way we want it to be. So I'm going to use the look at tool down here. And I'm just going to square it up like that. I want that to be the front view. So here's what I do. I go up here and kind of hover over the view cube, and there's the house button. So I'll right click on that and I'll say set current view as. So I go down here and I say set current view as, and I say front, and that will adjust it. So I'll go ahead and save it. I always do save as, and I'll just call this number 2 and save. So I'll say drawing from design. I wanted to use full assembly. Create new in this case is fine. From scratch, I already have a title block, a custom title block, so I'll use it, and then I'll just hit OK. And then from here you can see that that front view is going to get corrected. So there's our new front view. And then from here I can use projected, right? I can say, all right, I need to go up there and give me the top view. Go ahead and bring it over here as well. And then come up here and create the isometric.